Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap where I will show you how I made a loss around $1,300 trading the micro Nasdaq today. Okay, so first of all, I didn't follow my risk management properly. Okay, usually I take an SL of around 600 to $500, but in this trade, I don't know what made me took this trade so confidently that I lost around $1,300. Okay, like it's almost double of my uh, usual SL that I take. And first of all, uh, it's been weeks. I am back. I have started trading again because December month was not the price action was not so good, and everyone was basically enjoying themselves. Okay, so was me, and I'm back. This is was my first day today, and the market literally brutally killed me almost, but no worries. Every day is a new opportunity, so no worries, no need to worry about that. So I realized this after making the loss that I have risked way too much today, way too much that than I usually do. First of all, as you can see, this is not the real time data which I have. My subscription is over, but I will renew it tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow, and that is why I was following TJR, and he was obviously he was today. He was live on Kick, and I thought, okay, I don't have the real time data with me, so I'll just copy his trade, and he made a loss too. But no worries, I got cooked because it was my funded account and I didn't follow my risk management. My SL was around 68 points. Okay, see, the bias was simple today. Okay, we were already making highs and highs and highs. We were above Asia highs as well, above London highs as well, and we have this stacked liquidity to the downside which is pending. So we ES came up and the market open. We took out these highs, and from here, the possible reason for us to go to the downside is start a 5 minute break of structure and then following each and every confluence. We could possibly target these lows in Nasdaq because these are the obvious liquidity to the downside. And see, you can see how Nasdaq is far from these highs and all the way up to these highs. Even if ES would have come up and take out these highs, so never mind, then from here also we could start seeing move to the downside, but I don't know what is ES up to. ES is literally moving to the upside, so no worries. I made a loss of $1,300. I thought I'll just record myself and I'll upload it today because I don't lie to you guys. Okay, I don't hide my profits, I don't hide my losses. Okay, I just don't show you my profits, I show you my losses also. And because this is a journey, okay, every day is a new opportunity. Okay, every this is a roller coaster journey. Okay, someday I'll make profits, someday I'll make losses. Okay, even if I'm making profits and if it's a winning streak, what follows a winning streak? A losing day. So it was a losing day today. No need to worry about. Very I was very close to pass this account, but I made a big mistake by not following my risk management. So, and obviously, as you can see, the market is in a consolidation. Okay, so from here, when the US market started, see, the market is consolidating. Same on Nasdaq. Okay, so this was my 1:1, and I have entered here with 10 micro contracts. And at IS, what should I have done? Basically, I would have entered with 5 contracts because my SL was too big, and I could have easily lost around $500, which was acceptable to me. But now I am only left with $400 because I am account which I'm using has a kind of unrealized gains intraday trailing drawdown, and my now trailing drawdown has stopped to 50,000. So I am only left with $400 to trade tomorrow. No worries, I will trade with only 2 or 3 contracts micro, and I will risk uh, my risk to reward would be around 1:1. I will just capture a 1:1 and stack my profits until again I can take increase my lots more and take a good trade. So no worries. Earlier I was not ready to enter into this trade because usually this SL would have been like this. And according to, if I would have entered with 10 contracts at this point, I would have lost all of the $1,700. But what happened after this bullish move. As you can see, I have entered here after this bearish move. So you know I didn't wait for, like, I didn't think only about the risk management. I didn't think about the risk management, how should I risk today. And this is what happens: you should always focus on your risk management even if you are in profit. So what I did, I basically made a big mistake. I was very close to pass this account, but when you take things, when you chase your trade, okay, and when you basically randomly enter into a trade without thinking about how much you have to risk, you end up being like me. So no worries, still I have $400 left. I will risk that 300 tomorrow, okay, or maybe 200 tomorrow, and I will aim for 200 as well so that I can stack profits. But let's see, if I blow this account, then no worries, I will buy another account, I will start again. And because this is what journey is to me, I guess. But whatever mistake I'm making, I am not repeating that. I am trying to not repeat that mistakes again and again and again. And this was, literally, I completely forgot about this after, losing in this trade. As you can see, my current balance is 50,399. Before entering into this trade, my balance was around 51,700. Okay, so you can imagine I lost around $1,300 in this trade by not following my risk management. You guys, do not do this ever. Okay, always follow your risk management. Okay, and okay, this is a big lesson to me for the next time. From next time, if I am very close to passing any of my funded accounts, I will risk only, you know half of that amount basically. Or maybe I will, if I usually trade with 10 lots, I will cut down and I will trade with maybe 4 or 6 lots. So risk management was missing today. Otherwise my bias was already bearish, because we don't have any trades taking to the upside. We cannot take trades to the upside. So not we don't have much liquidity to the upside compared to the liquidity pending to the downside, because when the Asian sessions when the Asian session started, we are just ripping to the upside, as you can see. So no worries, today was a big mistake, and basically the mistake was of my risk management, and it is risk management. So let's see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated, and if you guys like this video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will post regularly from now onwards, because I'm back into trading. Okay, and take care, keep your funded accounts safe, safe trade with your funded accounts, don't blow your accounts, and whatever mistakes I am making, you better watch this video and you improve that mistake. You try not to make those same mistakes which I'm making. Bye, take care.